Mushrooms are my all-time favorite, and what's better than combining them with a creamy white sauce pasta? Here is my recipe. In a pan, heat butter. Add minced garlic and fry for a minute. Add the mushrooms and saute everything on high flame until the mushrooms get a bit crispy. Add water and cook the mixture until boiled. Now add milk and stir. Add the fresh cream and cheese. Cook until the cheese melts. Add all the spices and combine everything together. Add the boiled pasta and stir with a light hand. You can keep the consistency as per your choice. Season with some more chili flakes. Garnish it with some cheese and seasoning and serve hot.